This report is about Mesopotamian literature, the Eastern literature. Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia comes from the ancient Greek root words meso and potamia. Meso means middle and potamia means river, and these two words literally means land between rivers. Mesopotamia encompasses the land between the Euphrates and Tigris rivers, both of which have their headwaters in mountains of Armenia in modern-day Turkey. The earliest language written in Mesopotamia was Sumerian. Semitic dialects were also spoken in early Mesopotamia. Akkadian came to be the dominant language during the Akkadian Empire and the Assyrian empires, but Sumerian was retained for administration, religious, literary, and scientific purposes. Early in Mesopotamia's history, around mid-4th millennium before Christ, cuneiform script was invented for Sumerian language. Cuneiform literally means wedge shape, due to the triangular tip of the stylus used for impressing signs on wet clay. The earliest text, which is the 7 archaic tablets, came from the E-temple dedicated to the goddess Inanna at Uruk, from a building labeled as Temple C by its excavators. System of cuneiform script took many years to master. That's why only a limited number of individuals were hired as scribes to be trained in its use. It was not until the widespread use of a syllabic script was adopted that significant portions of Mesopotamian population became literate. Myths and epics which could not be recorded in the single multi-column tablet were spread over as many as 12 tablets, and thus at least formally comprised series similar to the larger scientific works. The division into tablets was usually determined in advance, since the end of a tablet always came at a break in the contents. Only in exceptional cases did the partial tablets encompass the same amount of material. Shorter compositions, such as hymns and prayers, were not collected in series with a fixed number of tablets, but were only compiled on larger tablets from case to case. There were people who attempt to analyze poetry in Sumerian poetic compositions, but they are still studied today. It was only a question of number of accented syllables, pronunciations, accentuations of individual words.